Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm bringing you the famous Tanzania. Just sharpen it at one end and then fold the other side of the bicycle spoke and then thread the meat, layering it with the steak and beef hump or fat. So you can keep 3 or 4 pieces in one spoke, or maybe more if you are just doing it for yourself and you don't want to do all that hard work. And then grill it over low flame. You really need really less charcoal for this. You don't want to cook it in high flame, and if you see fire coming out of it right like this because of the beef fat, it will happen. So just sprinkle the sururu with a bit of water to settle the fire down. You don't want to cook this on high flame, because if you cook this with all this fire, the exterior will be burnt and the interior will be raw. So just cook it in bunches and also on low flame. So unlike mishkaki, this shouldn't be like charred from outside. It's just properly cooked meat pieces, and the flavor also comes from the meat itself. And on the side I have some tomato rojo boiling over. So the tomato rojo is usually served hot with the sururu, and that's how it's eaten. And also thread the pieces towards the end of the spokes so that you can dip the sururu in the tomato rojo and then directly eat it from the stick, and that's how it's usually eaten. So this is almost done. You can see the color, it's not charred at all. It's just properly browned meat which is thoroughly cooked. And it will take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the quality of the meat and also how well the marination was. So here it is, the famous Tanzania Sururu barbecue is ready for you to eat and enjoy from anywhere around the world. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, please like this video, share it with your friends and family so that they can also enjoy, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you to all of you who have been supporting me throughout, to all my old subscribers and also the new ones. And see you next time with a new recipe. Also comment down below if you want to see any other recipe. I'll try to make that and post it. I have so many pending recipes.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run.